Jai Shri Ram. Here is one more definition of a Hindu from the Madhaviya Shankara Digvijaya. The text which chronicles the life of the great philosopher Adi Shankaracharya. You can buy a copy from R.K. Mutt, Shankara Digvijaya. I think it was Madhava Vidyaranya. Offers another layered breakdown focused on spiritual mastery. Omkara Moola Mantradhyaha पुनर्जन्म दृढ़ाशयः गोभक्तो भारत गुरु हिंदू हिंसन दूषकः भारत गुरु हिंदू हिंसन दूषकः ओंकार मूला. One who believes Om is the primordial sound of the universe, one who believes in the cycle of rebirth and karma, and one who loves knowledge, Bharata, and one who understands the importance of Guru Parampara. Of course, you are your own Guru, that is what Krishna already said. You can be your own Guru. Or you can seek out a Guru. But today, also all sorts of humbugs are available, so be careful. Vivekananda tested even Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So you have to test your Guru. So, himsana dushaka, one who condemns, destroys, or at least distances himself from himsa, all kinds of base behavior, ignoble behavior, cruel, wicked, and senseless violence. Violence becomes necessary when you are fighting against an atatai. So this is a very wonderful, very comprehensive gem of a definition. The Madhaviya Shankara Digvijaya. Omkara Moola Mantradhyaha Punarjanma Drudashayah Gobhakto Bharat Guru Hindu Himsana Dushakaha. Jai Shri Ram.